就来看北韩顶摆新冠疫情爆发了后，为着要自保，是甲国门关起来，一直到最近才阁开放。英国有一个真出名的网红，顶个月到北韩的首都平壤参加着马拉松，就借迄个机会来拍影片，甲平壤的真面目展予大家看。结果北韩的政府气甲噗噗跳，临时取消游客签证，阁甲因的国门关起来了。
All the Koreans are smiling and waving.
有200万美众的英国网红，趁北韩开放国门时，来到北韩参加平壤的马拉松。不过，真有可能就是因为伊这个行为，让北韩决定将国门搁关起来。
These are not paid actors; these are real people.
这个英国的网红，将做头一批侵入北韩首都平壤的外国旅客之一。 不过，伊发现讲，全球内底真正的运动员敢若1成，其他9成竟然拢是网红。
The tour guides definitely weren't expecting it. They said that the tour guides they said that they'd never seen this many cameras like pointing at them.
外国旅客入境南韩，互当局神经线加真严。
One of the rules they told us was just like you got to ask your tour guide to film. If they tell you not to film, just don't film. And people were like filming in places they shouldn't be filmed.
But do you feel like you know him? Kim Jong-un?
Yeah.
He has a daughter?
I think so.
And she will be the next leader? Maybe?
I'm not sure.
Oh, okay.
These are the different haircuts we can get. Haircut like Kim Jong-un. Kim Jong-un haircut.
北韩的面貌透过网红的镜头红公开。北韩的当局临时打动取消海外旅客入境的签证。 不过，这对平壤春季的国际贸易展影响真大。
We had our visas issued and then abruptly canceled. That wasn't just us. That was actually over 200 Chinese and also Russian visitors as well. There are some people in Pyongyang or higher up in the North Korean government who looked at the footage that came out from those YouTubers and thought that it didn't reflect positively.
北韩的国门开无到3礼拜，都无已经搁再封锁，后一摆搁开放，唔知搁要等偌久。
Hello， 我是郑雅芳。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。